With Straightsmile Solutions, straightsmilesolutions.com, and let's talk today a little bit more about the sequence of appointments if you are doing a lower incisor extraction or really any anterior tooth extraction, but lower incisor is the most common. I actually have a ton of videos on this already. You can go into my YouTube channel, search by keyword lower incisor extraction, and it should pop up. But I want to specifically talk about this little hack. I don't say I came up with it because a lot of you guys are doing it, but what I've been using more currently. So what I've been doing with any aligner case is I go ahead, I work up the Clincheck, blah, blah, like the tooth is out, virtually remove it, et cetera, et cetera. And then once I've optimized the Clincheck, I tell them to, now look at the bottom. You recognize this if you're an Invisalign provider. These are active aligners. This is a passive aligner. I tell them, please add one passive aligner before treatment starts. So if the case was 40 aligners, it's now 41. This passive aligner is a dummy aligner. It's essentially a retainer. And I tell them to delay putting attachments on or adding IPR or doing any type of active work until aligner 2. So this is essentially a retainer, no attachments. It's just a retainer of what the teeth are now. So then what you can go ahead and do is you can go ahead and start treatment. You go ahead and do it just the way I tell you to do. Now, aligner 2 essentially was what was aligner 1. So I still want you to try, before you take the tooth out, I want you to try aligner 2 in, make sure that fits. And then that's with the attachments on. Then you can go ahead and try aligner 1 in, which should be the same thing without attachments and without any movement. And then you can go ahead and take the tooth out because you know you have something to wear home. And they can go ahead and wear it, assuming it's not impinging on the healing site or anything. You might have to trim that area back around the Pontic a little bit. You can fill the Pontic. I have a ton of videos on filling Pontics. They can wear that home until that heals, and once that heals, they can come on in a week or two, and we can go ahead and start the active treatment, which is aligner 2, putting the attachments on at aligner 2. Same thing, just one more set of aligners. It should be free. They shouldn't charge you to add it, assuming you're doing comprehensive. Just ask for one set of passive aligners, delay attachments until aligners 2. All right, thanks so much.